the slope-intercept form of equation of a straight line is expressed by y equals to mx plus c. Now we have to draw x dashed, y dashed, origin O. It is extended slight bit. I have to extend it x dash. Now A B, that AB straight line make an intercept C on y axis, then that amount is C. The amount of intersection of y axis by that AB line segment is C. Okay. Now this is theta, or the inclination or angle of inclination. Then the slope will be m equals to tan theta. Let P be a point, P, coordinate x, y, and we are drawing one perpendicular on x axis, and the perpendicular is PM. Then again we draw a perpendicular from point B on this PM, which intersect at M. Okay. Now from the figure, BM is equal to OM. This is O, origin. OM, BM equal. And we consider this is X. Because P here XY. Therefore this is X and this is Y. So BM equals to OM equals to X. And NP equals to MP minus MN. NP, that MP minus MN. And we have NP. So NP is simply Y minus MN, which is simply C. Fine. Again, these two lines are parallel, therefore this angle is also theta, and PBM, angle PBM equals to angle BAO, angle BAO, which is theta. From the right angle triangle BNP, from the right angle triangle BNP, what we have, tan theta equals to NP by BN. So NP is nothing but Y minus C and BN is X. Now tan theta is substituted by M equals to Y minus C by X. Therefore, Y minus C equals to MX, or Y equals to MX plus C. So this is the equation of straight line in the required form, and the form is slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form, and the form is y equals to mx plus c, where m is the slope or gradient and c is the amount of intersection from the origin to the y-axis. Okay, now the fourth type of equation, or fourth kind of equation of straight line is point slope form. That means you have given a point and the slope will be provided, and you have to find out the equation of that straight line which is passing through the point and having the slope. To find the equation of a straight line which is passing through a fixed point and having a slope. So to find out the equation of that kind, the straight line which is passing through a point, that point is required and the slope is required. If these two things are given, then you can find out the equation of the straight line. So let us consider that a point A whose coordinate is x1, y1 and its slope is m. Then we know that the equation of a straight line in slope-intercept form, y equals to mx plus c, where c is unknown constant. That means the amount of intersection from origin to the y-axis. We don't know about it. So this is the equation of the straight line which is having the slope m. Now that straight line is passing through the point x1, y1. So we can write y1 equals to mx1 plus c. Now we are substituting this equation from this. So we have y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1, and c minus c is just cancelling out. So this is the form y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. This is called one point form. This equation or this format of equation is called one point form. Type of form is 2-point form. That means to find the equation of a straight line which is non-vertical passing through two fixed points. 2 points are given and slope is not given. You have to find out the slope first, then you have to deduce the equation of that straight line. Let us consider two fixed points are A, which is x1, y1, and B, x2, y2. If m be the slope, then the straight line which is passing through A point and having the slope m, the equation is y minus y1 m into x minus x1. This is number one equation. We are writing the equation of straight line having slope m that we have considered, and it is passing through that point A, x1, y1. That straight line is passing through B also. Therefore, putting the value of the coordinate of B to the equation 2, we have y2 minus y1 equals to m into x2 minus x1. From here, we can find out the value of the gradient m equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So to eliminate the value of this m and to write the equation at the first equation, what we have y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1 is the required formula of the straight line which is passing through these 2 points of coordinate x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, so the slope, what is the formula of the slope? M equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, that you have to find out from these 2 points, and then you have to put the value at the equation number 1, where y minus y1, that means 1 point is given, slope is given. Here y minus y1 equals to, instead of m, you have to write the value y2 minus y1 by x2 by minus x1. In that way we can write 2-point form. So we can write the equation of straight line in that form also. Ax plus by plus c equals to 0. In that form also we can write the equation of a straight line.